Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your side hustle with Teachable easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Teachable website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Teachable dashboard. Click on the Create a New Course button. Give your course a descriptive title. Write a brief subtitle to clarify the course content. Choose a course type that suits your content and audience. Set a price for your course or decide if it will be free. Add your course curriculum by clicking on Curriculum in the sidebar. Create sections for different topics within your course. Add lectures under each section to break down the material. Use various formats for your lectures, like video, audio, or text. Upload your course content directly to Teachable. Incorporate quizzes or assignments to engage your students. Set up your course settings, like enrollment dates and access options. Customize your course landing page for a professional appearance. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and style. Add testimonials or reviews if you have previous students. Preview your course to see how it looks from a student's perspective. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. When you're satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your course live. Promote your course through social media and your existing networks. Engage with your students by responding to their questions. Track student progress and feedback to enhance the course. Continuously update your content based on student needs and trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.